off is we're going to do the driving because that's the easiest. So let's start off with any of these cars. You can do this driving controls. So first is drive and get in. I don't usually drive, so I put the drive in F3. So F3 is drive. Okay, F2 exit, and F2 is get in. So I'm the passenger. So exit F2. So F3 drive, exit F2. F2 is the passenger. Okay, so you can do this in any cars as well. It is applicable to all vehicles. So let's try F3 and let's try to drive. Drive is WASD. You have to change the settings of your vehicle to WASD for this to work. Boost or speed boost is shift, as you can see. Speed boost. Z is brake. So even though I put it on the maximum, it's not because it's in brake. Again, brake, Z. Okay, speed boost, shift. Next is horns. C. Okay. So that's it. The camera is the mouse movement, and WASD is for it to run or for it to work, to move. For the camera is the mouse. Okay, F2 exit, F3 drive, F2 exit, F2 again is passenger. Okay, let's move on to the next controls. So here it is, the more keys or keyboard setup. It's much more complicated, but it's easy to explain. WASD is for movement, WASD. Q and E for peaking or for peak. Jump is spacebar, and C is crouch. X is drop. C crouch, spacebar, jump. Q and letter E are for peaking or peak motions. So the next one is how to pick or how to take things that you like. For example, in this one, I've put the bag or the option to pick things in the left side because there's a lot of going on the right side. There's a lot of things that I map on the right side, so I put it on the left side. So put it on the left side, and then you're going to come close to any item that you like. For example, this. And these buttons are 1, 2, 3. Number 1, 2, and 3. So let's get to QBZ 1. Take that. The Mini 14. Take that. And the GPU or QBU, I don't know. Mini 14 again, number 3. So there's like 1, 2, 3 options you can get. So let's try taking things in here. How about the level 1 backpack, level 2, level 3 backpack. So 1, 2, 3 buttons. So level 1 helmet, level 2 helmet, level 3 helmet. So that's how you take things. Easy. So now let's move on to the guns. So how to switch guns? In my mouse, there's an extra buttons on the side. I can do gun 1 and gun 2 easily. Change them. It's on the side of my mouse, so I can easily switch them. Firing on the mouse as well, you can fire in your left click. Left click. Right click is the scope. Okay, you can do both, or you can pick Q and E. Okay, R is for reload. You can reload using R button. Then you're going to press the R button to reload. Okay, so that's it. The next one is the map. How to actually go in the map. Press F1. F1 and F1 to exit. The bag is letter B, and B again to exit. Now, how to select what's in the bag. How to select things or map in the map. How to map things in the map, or mark in the map. How to mark things in the map. So what you're going to do is to press the scroll key, and this will pop up. If you press F1 map, you can now map anything you like. Okay, in the bag, letter B, you can drop this, or you can take this. Drop, drop, or you can take them. Okay, bag, letter B again to close, and then scroll key again to close this mouse arrow key, or arrow mouse arrow. Okay, see, it's moving now. If you're in a mouse, you can't move the camera, but you can move the camera as well as you can't move the WASD. So that's the problem. You have to turn off the mouse, so you can now move and you can do things. So that's it. That's very simple, very simple kind of tutorial. And also, I forgot that if you want to heal your friendly friends in PUBG, you're going to go with T is heal, letter T, and letter G for carrying them. So I can put that as an example here. T and G is for, T is for healing, G is to carry them where do you want them to be. So that's it. And also, I forgot about the throwing things and also healing. For example, okay, that's what I've said earlier. Go near to the item or go close to the item. Pick 1, 2, 3, and that will give you all the items that you've chosen. And to heal your hero or to heal your player, what you're going to do is tab. Okay, if you wanted to choose what do you want to heal, or you want medkit or full medkit, you're going to go with this arrow mouse and select it here so that you can choose what you like. Okay, so that's it. Press tab so that you're going to heal. And last but not the least, how to throw grenades or anything. So to throw grenades, press number 4, then you can throw anything. Okay, so let's start with the apple. Okay, let's throw an apple. If you wanted to throw an apple or a drinks, just mouse arrow and then choose what you like, and then turn off this mouse arrow by clicking the scroll key again, and then throw with the left click, and then position your mouse, hold it, and then throw it when where you want it. Throw it here, throw in what place you wanted it to be. So that's it. And also to change your gun with auto or burst, again with this mouse arrow key, you can select that, turn it off. That's it. Thanks guys for watching.